How to fix Wolt app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily fix the Wolt Delivery app not working. First thing you're going to have to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable enough connection, you might be causing the problem. So once you make sure that you have stable connection, but you're still facing the issue, only then you can just go ahead and check your apps. And here on your app settings, you can just search for Wolt, tap on the app, and then go to storage. From your storage, you can try to clear cache and you can clear data as well. Doing this will ensure that none of the junk files or any cache files are causing the issue. So just make sure you do that. Then go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app to run smoothly. And finally, if none of this work, then you can go to your Play Store and then you can just go ahead and search for Wolt, hit enter. And here you can find the Wolt app. Now you can just go ahead and update the app if it's not up to date. And finally, just go ahead and refresh your device and restart it, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.